Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Tech Assist Hub, where we make technology simple and accessible. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to find your Wi-Fi network password on Windows 11. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. Before we get started, make sure you're on your Windows 11 desktop and connected to the Wi-Fi network you want to retrieve the password for. Let's go ahead and find that password. First, click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. From the menu, select Settings, which looks like a gear icon. This will open up the Settings app. In the Settings app, look for the Network and Internet option on the left sidebar. Click on it to proceed. On the right side you will see Connected Wi-Fi Name, Properties, and Data Usage option. Just click on Properties. Here, you'll see various details about your Wi-Fi connection. Now, scroll down here, you'll find the Wi-Fi security key field. Click on View to reveal your Wi-Fi password. And there you have it. The password displayed in the Wi-Fi security key field is your Wi-Fi network password. Congratulations! You've successfully found your Wi-Fi network password in Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to more useful tech tips. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.